She may be beautiful, but she's a beast on the bench. So please do not mess with Judge Frushour. In these clips, these defendants learn all about what it is to F around and find out.
Have you gone over the recommendation with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, I have. So he actually sent me proof of the 45 hours of community service. I believe the place that he did the community service also sent it to Miss Elder, he informed me.
Miss Elder, are you in receipt of that?
I did receive proof of 45 hours. I believe he is ordered to do 50.
Well, there were other hours before that. That was just 45 hours I did building those flower beds.
I don't have the proof of the other hours before that.
They have been sent to you before. I remember I gave that lady.
So as of November 21st, 2022, you still owed 50 hours of community service.
I have well over 50 hours of community service.
Mr. Ng, the problem is that we don't have that proof.
I have sent the proof. That's the thing.
So you'll need to resend it because Miss Elder only
I will.
his last.
Hey, Mr. Ng.
Mr. Ng?
Yes, Your Honor.
I would watch it, sir.
Your Honor,
Yes.
may we ask for an adjournment for him to get those 5 hours to the court, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
We'll adjourn this. I'll extend your probation for 3 months to August 23rd, 2023 to complete the community service hours. I'll set a final review for August 7th, 2023 at 1 p.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, I grabbed that.
Good morning. Good afternoon, Your Honor. William Amadeo, P76194 from Ms. Brockbank. Both appear via Zoom. Waive a right to be present in person.
Ma'am, can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Emily Brockbank.
Mr. Amadeo.
Your Honor, at this time, I did receive a recommendation from probation. There was several documentations I did hand over, so there could have been a miscommunication there. I just found out about the new felony warrant in Oakland County, and she is in South Carolina in aftercare right now. So the issue we have, Judge, I don't know if we could solve it all today. If you give me an adjournment, there's a warrant in Oakland County. She's in aftercare in South Carolina, and there's a recommendation from probation, and I did supplement some of the things that probation put in the report. So I'd like some time to try to fix this mess if possible.
Can I see probation and counsel at the bench, please?
This is bad. This is really bad.
You ready, Karen? Back on the record in State of Michigan versus Emily Brockbank.
William Amadeo, P76194 for Ms. Brockbank. Emily, please state your name for Judge Frushour.
Emily Brockbank, Your Honor.
We're here today for review.
We did have a breakout room, Judge, and I know you want to state some things on the record. I would ask for a 30-day adjournment to try to clean this up, and for what it's worth, Oakland County may allow me to Zoom if I take on her felony. I know your position, Agent Elder's position.
I did not grant her permission to leave and live in another state.
I know, Judge. You granted her permission to go to rehab.
Correct. And then return and contact probation upon completion, neither of which she's done.
And Your Honor, I did hand over the documentation I received. I will say, as I said in the breakout room, she does not have a home in Michigan now, which I know is not your problem. She has given up custody of her children. She is in aftercare. I think she should explain what aftercare means. And I understand you've given her a lot of breaks, but I do think this is a situation where she's basically indigent right now, living in another state. And I don't think she stayed in another state to disrespect your order, Judge. I think she was released from rehab. She has no money. She's being supported by her boyfriend, who she's living with. And there's a lot of moving parts there, Your Honor. But she has successfully completed rehab. And I think that's a positive for her. And as far as the new felony charge, that occurred, the allegation occurred prior to you sending her to jail.
I mean, she was sent to jail in part because she had a new charge out of Oakland County. So they're all related.
I understand. But The allegation, the time frame, I think it's important to note that she's done nothing wrong since you sent her to jail. I know it doesn't clean up where we're at, Your Honor, but I think it's important to note the time frame that there weren't new allegations that came out. This is from prior to you sending her to incarceration and rehab.
Why didn't you contact probation as soon as you got out? Why did probation have to hunt you down again?
Your Honor, I'm sorry. I was under the impression that it had been taken care of
By who?
before I was released, even from the rehabilitation.
How was you contacting probation handled?
I'm sorry. I had sent several emails to my attorney and I didn't realize that I needed.
Your attorney isn't you. Miss Elder doesn't want to hear from your attorney. Miss Elder wanted to hear from you. It's not his responsibility to call probation. It's your responsibility. You're not new at this. You've been on probation for 2 years now.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I made myself very clear. You committed it's alleged that you committed another felony while you were on probation here. And I gave you an opportunity to go seek help, but I made it clear that you can go to this out-of-state program, but you must return. I did not say you could leave the state and go do whatever. We have no idea what you're doing now. Yes, you say you're an outpatient. I don't know what that means. We haven't received probation hasn't received any information about any outpatient treatment programming, what that entails, nothing. And Miss Elder is spending all her time contacting you. That's not her job.
Yes, Your Honor. I can have all of that paperwork and all of the counselors and therapists and centers send her all that.
You need to return to Michigan, take care of the felony.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll adjourn this to June 5th, 2023 at 2 p.m. You need to stay in contact with Miss Elder, not your attorney, not your boyfriend, not your mom, you. You call her and
Yes.
you talk to her. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
I'll adjourn the sentencing for that time.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Bye for now.